He is doing excellent job. Just give him some time, Chris Gayle. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. You don't know it's a boy SAE. Bless upon yourself and thank you all for tuning in. So what I really want to zoom in on today, guys, is Christopher Henry Gayle come out in support of Darren Sammy, his former captain, who lead them to two T20 World Cup. He was like, this man is a great leader. He's doing a great job and we should support him. And I was like, it's good that Chris Gayle come out and voice his opinion because a lot of people think that Sammy needs to go. No question about it. People think that Sammy is just bad luck to West Indies cricket. People think that Sammy is just a placeholder. A lot of people have different opinions under Sammy and why West Indies select him as the head coach. Yesterday we saw them lose to Bangladesh in the first ODI of three and by 74 runs, and that was a really disappointing show in my opinion. I was really disappointed, guys, to be honest with you. As you guys can see, I didn't even I was really disappointed because I don't want to just, go and just look at guys all the time. But the thing is, guys, is that you can never just bank on them fully and say that, hey, uh, like that. So, Chris Gayle said somebody is doing excellent job. We just need to support him. He will rebuild with his team. He's a great leader. All right, so Sammy is a great player. He will rebuild. What you, what your guys and that by Christopher Henry Gayle? Sammy the right man to rebuild the West Indies. You know your recently hasn't really been good. He has been struggling to get the team to big matches. And that's where I just stem from here. They're like, just read off 15 minutes. going to get home. But um if you bowl out aside for 2019 and 50 over match, that would be less than 5 runs for over and even 11 batters can't make that, then how is Sammy going to play? Well, no better. So to comment guy when you see it, I will just skip over it guys because some of the fans don't like the explosive, but honestly some of these are just some of the comment guys. There's over 300 comment guys under that post that Chris Gayle made. You understand? Please understand that after every defeat we are told that the loss show determination and improvement in the team. They are learning well. With the teacher being Sammy, it looks like they are in kindergarten, so it will take a very long time for them to graduate from high school. Be patient. Sammy knows what he's doing. I think so. So that's the last comment I'm gonna really zoom in on to people. But leave your honest thoughts down below. Alright, best up.